What up, YouTube? AR Platinum. How'd you guys like my my fire ticket last night? Was that fun for you guys? I thought it was fun. Anyway, a lot of interesting comments on that. So let me know if you guys want to keep seeing that. I might do it every week. Anyway, today we're going to do one of these $10 Explosión de Dinero Texas Lottery scratch-off tickets. Looking to get 2 matching symbols here for a win, or match winning numbers to your numbers, or get a 5x or 10x to win. Odds are 1 in 3.64. We got ticket number, well, let's see what we got. Ticket number 31. Yeah, well, all right, let's zoom in on this bonus and see if we can win the bonus area. Looking for 2 like symbols. All right, nothing there. Let's see what our winning numbers are today. 14, 20, 28, 29, 32. 14, 20, 28, 29, 32. All right, last chance. Nothing. All right, well, no winner today, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check that video out. Holla at your boy.